By the end of this video, you will have found out how to make $280 per day with Amazon affiliate commission without any investment. I will show you everything step by step in this video: how to find the best products from Amazon, how to promote them using free traffic sources, and how you can earn affiliate commission from Amazon. Just what you need to do, you need to stick with me till the end, and you are going to learn everything to start making $280 per day from Amazon as an affiliate. Now let's dive into the video, but before that, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to discover new online income opportunities daily. So, the very first step is, we need to find the best products from Amazon. For this, you need to come over to Amazon.com. You may choose any category from Amazon, since the strategy of promotion I will show later will always work for almost all product categories. However, I recommend that you promote products from the Shop by Department category. This category includes electronics, computers, gadgets, baby products, health-related products, and other similar items. I recommend these items since they are the most popular on Amazon, and people tend to buy these products from Amazon. But now I'm looking for a specific product, a steam iron. The price range can be selected from here, although it is not required. Simply search for steam iron, and Amazon will show you all steam iron related products. However, you must promote best-selling products or Amazon choice products among them, because when visitors see the best-selling tag on a product, they are more likely to purchase it. The product costs $29 and all of the product videos and images can be seen here. As we choose a product to promote, the second step is to create a product promotional video. To make a product promotional video, you can use the completely free online tool canva.com. You should then select a mobile video blank template, because video marketing works best on mobile devices. Following that, you need open the product images. Then, using the right mouse button, open this image in a new tab. You must now download this image, and in the same way, you must download all of the images from here. I downloaded 4 images here, but you must download all of them. After that, navigate to canva.com and choose uploads. And then you must upload all of the images to canva.com. After you've uploaded all of the images, navigate to Elements and look for grids. Now, click on this single grid item and then make it smaller and move it to the middle position. After you've set the grid element's position, duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. Then you need to simply drag and drop the image onto the grid element, and it will fit perfectly on the slide. Following that, you must adjust all of the images in all of the slides. As you can see, I have positioned each image exactly in all slides. And because each slide is 5 seconds long, this short video length becomes 20 seconds. You may modify the sliding time from here if you want to. You must now animate the image to make it professional. Click on Animate, and then you can check which animation is most suited to your images. This breathing animation appeals to me. Simply drag and drop the animation onto the slide. Similarly, the animation that properly matches the images is simply applied to that image. You must now add background music after animating all of the images. For background music, you can search for YouTube, the audio library. You'll discover this YouTube channel, which offers no copyrighted music to content creators. Another option is to search Google for YouTube audio library, and you'll come across this website, which is from YouTube, where you may get tons of free background music and sound effects. Simply play the music. This one appeals to me, so I'll download the song by clicking the download button. Our music is downloading, as you can see. Now, if you want to use background music from this channel, simply open it and listen to it.
I keep on falling for you.
Wow, this is excellent, and believe me, you will find a lot of quality background music on this channel, with no copyright issues. They state clearly that you may use this music in any of your YouTube videos, but you must give the following credit in your video description. This is in video format, but we need to download its audio. You can download the audio using this website, ytoness.com. Simply copy the URL, paste it here, and click the Convert button. Then, choose the MP3 128 kbps and click on the Get link. Then, download the audio as I am downloading. Now head over to canva.com and upload the music. It will begin to upload. After uploading, drag and drop the music and adjust it to fit the duration of the video. As you can see, the music has been correctly adjusted. We must now add text. You can choose any text you like. I'm using this one and adding a call to action that says something like "buy this" from pinned comment. Now modify the text and picture sizes so that we may add some more text. Duplicate the text and add a caption that explains what's on the slide. As it is a best-selling steam iron, so I mention this here. To make the text more attractive, you can change the color. You may now duplicate the call to action in all of the images. As this slide reveals its features, I'll highlight it, and you should do as well. Okay, our video is almost done. You can get a preview of it here. If you like what you see in the preview, simply click the share button to download the video. Our video has been downloaded, and you can see how our product advertising video looks.
I keep on falling for you.
Even though I created this video in 10 minutes, please leave a comment below on how you think it turned out. If you spend more time, you will make it more engaging and professional. Now that our product marketing video is done, you must go to the third step, which is to create an Amazon affiliate account. You must create an Amazon associate account in order to promote the product. You may learn about how the Amazon affiliate program works. You must first sign up, then recommend a product, and if somebody purchases, you will receive a commission. You can read these frequently asked questions if you want. Then click on sign up and then click on create an Amazon account. Then enter your name, email address, and password to create your free Amazon associate account. When you successfully set up your affiliate account, a product promotional affiliate link will appear in this section. To promote that product, you must use that affiliate link. Otherwise, you will not receive any Amazon affiliate commissions. The final step is to find strategies to promote Amazon products using free traffic sources. But first, if you've found value so far, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that we can expand our community and help more individuals in making money online. I'll show you 2 free traffic sources for promoting Amazon products. YouTube is the first, as our video is about the best-selling steam iron. If we search for #shorts plus steam iron, we may notice a channel named Free Products doing the same thing. And in 8 months, this video received 10,000 views. If I open this short, you'll notice that it's the same as we're creating our video. It highlights all of the elements with a call to action, and 137 people like this short, meaning engagement is good. When I check their comments section, I see that they promote this product in pinned comments. This link will be visible to everyone who comes to comment on this video. This is the Amazon affiliate link. If I open this link in a new tab, you will see this product, and if someone purchases it through this link, they will receive a commission. Furthermore, the Amazon affiliate cookie is valid for 24 hours, which means that if someone clicks on your link once and then purchases something on Amazon within 24 hours, you will receive the affiliate commission for that purchase. That is why many people earn thousands of dollars through Amazon's affiliate program. Instagram is now the second promotional channel. You must first go to Instagram.com and create a business page. Then you must upload the promotional video in reel format. I can't show you how to post from the Instagram website since reels aren't allowed to upload, but you can do it using the Instagram app on your mobile phone. If you don't know how to upload reels, you can search for how to post reels on Instagram on YouTube, and you'll find a lot of videos on the topic. This channel only has 138 subscribers, yet receives 10,000 views. Shorts and reels may become viral at any time. And it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, because people enjoy watching short videos, and they don't take much time to create. So, start making and publishing shorts and reels, and you'll be able to earn money passively. Watch the following videos to learn more about monetizing YouTube Shorts. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe now, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. See you in the next video.